and some scissors. You can also use glue or a glue stick. Now let's start our art and craft.
All right, so make sure your parents do out these stencils. We didn't have black paper, so if you don't have black paper at home, you can also draw these little black circles, 2 small black circles, and an oval. And then you also need 2 white circles.
Now we're gonna begin.
Let's get these taken away. Put this down here.
We're gonna need these.
Okay, so these are gonna be the ears and the mouth. So we're gonna tape it right here. Make sure it's in the middle. And then we're gonna take the blue one. I'm gonna put it right over it. Like that. The ears are a little bit too big, you can always cut the sides. Okay, and then we're gonna make a little line in the middle so that the tongue can come out through the little slit. Perfect. Now our ears are good. So make sure the tongue is underneath. We're gonna make a little line right here. Enough?
Put it through.
Yep. Okay, so we're gonna lift this up. I made a little bit of a line.
And I'm gonna.
Good. Pull it out gently from the other side. Very good.
There.
So there we go. Our little tongue is out. Okay, good. So now we're gonna take the little dome shape
And put it on.
and we're gonna put it right underneath the tongue, just like that.
Okay.
All right, so we got some tape ready here for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Take it, and then we will put it on nicely. Good. And then we have some more.
For what? For the
Put it in
top.
the middle. Yep.
Yeah.
Good. All right.
I'm watching.
Now you can take off the little stickers.
Okay.
Take it off.
Taking it off.
Okay, good.
Here.
Perfect. Okay, great. So now we're gonna lift this part up and then, let's see, hold on. Can I just check?
Yeah.
Right there. Perfect. So.
In the line?
Right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I think it's done.
Good. We have our little. All right. So now we're gonna make the face. So this little one, this yellow one is gonna be. Oh, sorry guys. There we go. So this one is going to be the face. So it's gonna go right over here.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
We're gonna take the tape. Can I get the scissors, please?
Well, let's see which part. Oh, I think it's a little bit too long. So we're gonna cut a little bit more of it, okay? Okay, so now we cut it up a little bit because it was a little bit too big. Let's place them. Where do you think they're gonna be?
I think this will be over here.
Okay. Let me see. Great.
And this
Uh-huh.
these two will be
Inside.
in the middle.
Good.
And the nose will be in here.
Let's
So
put it a
cute.
little bit.
That looks funny.
So it's gonna look a little something like this. All right, now let's put it together. Okay, so I'm just gonna tape a little piece on the top, just right here. Press. Okay, good. So now
The
we're
tongue is
gonna
out.
fold the inside in. We're gonna flip the ears over, like so.
That looks, he's so cute.
And then we're gonna turn it around,
Mhm.
flip it over,
Yeah.
and then we're going to grab this side and fold it over. I'm gonna fold it over a little bit, right where the ears kind of end. Say just like that, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And we're just gonna fold it over.
It's like a little house, but it's
Just
not.
like so. Then you're gonna take another sheet of white paper and you're gonna cover the back. You're just gonna have to cut it out.
This is our doggy card. Ruff, ruff.